Hello, so today's lesson will focus on how to study vocabulary. One amazing tool is that anyone should have is a dictionary. Online dictionaries are great, especially this one. How to access it, you can just write Cambridge Dictionary in Google search, and then or dictionary.cambridge.org. Click on it. What I really like about this dictionary is I like a lot of things, but one great thing is that you can create an account. So look here, log in or sign up. So I usually log in with my Google account. And voila, this is my name. You can sign up and create your own account. What this helps with is when you go to my profile, you can see if you're teacher, student, speaker, and your needs and areas of interest, your first language, if you need updates. Apart from this, let's go back. Let's search for a word. For example, one word we have in Conversation Intermediate 2. Let's look for the word maybe expose. So you can listen to the UK or the US pronunciation of the word. Also, you have here, like any good dictionary, the transcription to know the exact sounds. But what is great about it is that you can save this word. So for example, you have expose to show something by removing its cover, and be exposed to something, to experience something or be affected by something. And you also have the translation. So for example, we just need the first meaning. You add here, go to your word list. You can create a new word list. For example, conversation two. So these are from a course. This is from a course I took online, and I wanted to remember the words that I learned. After you create a word list, so let me show you a word list that I have. How do you go to your word list? Click here. Sometimes forget. You can just go around and then you will find your word list. Okay. If she changed it a bit. Oh yeah. So word lists. Go to my word lists. There are also word lists that are already done. So for example, I have two conversation intermediates. Okay, so let's look at this. It has 3 words. You can remember the pronunciation. Circuitry. Connected arrangements of wires. Palatable. It has a pleasant taste. So let's see how many I can remember. So the circuits that are electrical, you see which word or phrase matches the definition. So I remember, circuit. Okay. And I'm not very sure about the spelling, but I have a spell check, I can write it. But also, which also helps with spelling. So there is no A, and then you submit. Correct answer, you go next. This is also the same, one different definition. Good. Did I get it right this time? I did. Submit, and then next. The word is actually here. So it gives me a kind of boost. And submit. Finish, so you can see your answers, which ones were right, which ones weren't. And you can study the words and you can try again. You can try as many times as you want, or you can go back to your word list, go back to old word list. And you can also learn new words, for example, words about, so these are not my word lists, this is my word list, Cambridge word list. For example, I want to learn about body and health, I'm very interested in health, so I will look here, and I can also see the level, advanced, beginner, intermediate. So if you don't want to go to something that is advanced, feels too difficult for you, you can look at the intermediate ones. For example, words about technology, which is something that we all need to know about, so we can look at technology. And so you can look, browse, back up, bookmark, thought. You can listen to the pronunciation. I don't know if it's coming through or not, but once you're on the website, you can listen to it, so you can test yourself. Spoken form of. Okay. So I think it's dot. Internet address. Okay, good. Which word or phrase matches the sound? So it's in the difference. And you can listen and browse. Large amount of information stored in a computer system in such a way that it can be easily looked at or changed. I did not study the word list. Very good. You can also go back to the word list here, words about technology, and look it up. Or study it again and then go back to continue the test. So this is the word database. So you can look database and keep on going. So you get the hang of it. You can also choose English Arabic, English English, grammar. There's also grammar explanation, English Turkish. You choose a dictionary, bilingual dictionaries, for example, if you're studying a third language like French or German or Italian. English Arabic. Let's try grammar. You can search grammar, for example, phrasal verbs, concepts. Adjectives and adverbs, you use confused words. For example, you want to types of English, an American dialect. So you have also a topic that you can learn more about. So for example, if a lot of people ask about British and American English, you can read about it and see the differences. Maybe like spelling differences. Also grammatical differences. So it's a very useful website, but mainly I like to use it because of the word list. Okay.